Mike, what do you think about Floyd Mayweather? What do you think? What do you think about his personality? Is he a humble guy compared to Muhammad Ali? What do you think? Yeah. Are you gonna beat him up soon?
Real bad.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Do you have a plan? You have a game plan? You have a game plan to beat Floyd?
Hey man, get the
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. So